Today, I'm going to be working out the volume of a rectangular prism. We know that the volume is calculated by multiplying the length by the width by the height. Today, I'm going to try and work out what the volume of my Enigma riddle book is. First up, I need to work out the measurements of my book. You can see from this photo that my measurement of my book, or my length, is just over 24 centimeters. Now I'm going to round this to the nearest number of centimeters to make my calculations easy. But if you'd like to do decimals, you can. So, therefore, my length is equal to 24 centimeters. Units, or cancel. You can see from this that my width is around 17 centimeters, and as I'm rounding it to the nearest number of centimeters, I'm going to start with 17 centimeters for my width. Now to measure my height. I've done this from a different angle, as it would be difficult to measure it from the ground. You can see that my height is just more than 4 centimeters. Again, I'm going to round that to the nearest number of centimeters. So my height is 4 centimeters. Now I have my dimensions. I have my length here of 24 centimeters. I have my width over here of 17 centimeters. And my height here of 4 centimeters. Remember that the volume is calculated by multiplying the length times by the width times by the height. If my length is equal to 24 centimeters and so on, I can add these in or substitute them in for my formula. Now I'm going to do the first of that calculation, so 24 multiplied by 17. And I'm going to do that over in this little side over here. I'm going to start with 7 times 4, which is 28, carry my 2. 2 times 7 is 14, carry the 2 is 16. Then I'm going to work on my second line. I have a 0 to begin, 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 2 is 2. If I add these together now, I'll be left with an 8 there, 0, 10, carry the 1, and 4. So 408. Therefore, my volume is going to be equal to 408 multiplied by 4. So I'm going to do that calculation here. 408 multiplied by 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Put down my 2, carry my 3. 4 times 0 is 0. And bring my 3 down. 4 times 4 is 16. Therefore, my volume is going to be 1,632 centimeters cubed. Really important that I include my measurements in. So there you have it. My Enigma riddle book is 1,632 cubic centimeters.